Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus Nord 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can set your Microsoft Edge browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Here you have to customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.